Your mind can actually work wonders for you. How is that so? In this episode, we will try to figure that out for you. We recommend you to watch till the end to know how you can actually unlock the true potentials of your mind, which is actually a warehouse of power and information. Claimed so as by many scientists, professionals, and researchers that your mind is typically divided into two halves, namely the conscious part and the subconscious part. These are actually nothing but the conscious mind and the subconscious mind. Conscious mind is that part which remains active during the day or whatever time you are up. Your conscious mind actually is capable of utilizing only 10% of its actual potential. But nevertheless, your subconscious mind could help you make wonders and make impossible things come true. And utilizing only that 10% of your conscious mind, you can achieve your desired results. So, how is that done? Well, let's start with the very beginning, and that is to activate your subconscious mind. To do that, you will simply have to boost your confidence in whichever possible way you can. But this is not all. The subconscious part of your brain is actually a treasure house within you. It is a sort of mind within you from which you can extract everything you need to live life gloriously, joyously, and abundantly. So, here considering a situation of two men, one who has got a positive thought process and the second man who keeps doubting himself. This type of man will not get very far off in life because he is afraid to go forward and keeps doubting himself for endless number of reasons. The first type of people in our context are called the magnetized man. We suggest you to be a magnetized man and discover the master secret of the ages. By this word, the master secret of ages, what comes to your mind? What actually it is? Where can one find it and how could you activate it? Well, the answer is quite simple. The secret is the marvelous, miracle working power found in your own subconscious mind. It is the last place that most people would even think of seeking. You can bring into your life more power, more wealth, more health, more happiness, and more joy by learning contact and release the hidden power of your subconscious mind. The best part in it is you already have this power. All you have to understand is that how actually you can put this in your use to help you grow as a person and live all your dreams. Enough stressing on this. And let's see the potential ways how you can use it to get the results you wish to have. The great secret possessed by the great men of all ages was their ability to contact and release the powers of their subconscious mind. You can do the same. Your subconscious has the answer to all your problems. If you suggest your subconscious prior to sleep to get up at 6 a.m., it will awaken you at the exact time. Your subconscious is the builder of your body and can heal you. And the best way to do that is to lull yourself to sleep every night with the idea of perfect health, and your subconscious, being your faithful servant, will obey you. The law of life is the law of belief. A belief is a thought in your mind. Do not believe in the things that harm you or hurt you. Believe in the power of your subconscious to heal, inspire, strengthen, and prosper you. If you wish to change your destiny, the first thing in life to do is to change your thoughts. Believe in yourself and you are almost there. All you have is two choices. Think good and good follows. Think evil and evil follows. You are what you think all day long. The best part in the working of your mind is that you can actually choose. You possess the power to choose. Choose health and happiness. You can choose to be friendly or you can choose to be unfriendly. Choose to be cooperative, joyous, friendly, lovable, and the whole world will respond. This is the best way to develop a personality. The best suggestion that we can give to you is that suggestions and statements of others have no power to hurt you. The only power is the movement of your own thoughts. You can choose to reject the thought or statements of others and affirm the good, like the suggestions we are going to give it to you. The one thing you always need to keep in mind is that your subconscious cannot take a joke. It brings all things to pass, and hence, under all circumstances, you should avoid negative affirmations like I will fail, I will lose my job, I can't pay the rent, and so on. Start thinking from the standpoint of the external truths and principles of life and not from the standpoint of fear, ignorance, and superstition. Choose your own thoughts and make your own decisions. You are the captain of your soul and the master of your faith. Remember, you have the capacity to choose. Choose life, choose love, choose health and happiness. Now, if any of you guys are thinking that you are generally surrounded by negative thoughts and it deeply affects your mind, then here we have a positive affirmation that you can make it yourself 2 to 3 times daily. Just still the wheels of your mind, relax, let go, and quietly affirm. The infinite intelligence which gave me the desire leads, guides, and reveals to me the perfect plan for the unfolding of my desire. I know the deeper wisdom of my subconscious is now responding, and what I feel and claim within is expressed. There is a balance, equilibrium, and equanimity. Prior to sleep, turn over a specific request to your subconscious mind and prove its miracle working power. Now, most of you must be thinking that how actually the subconscious mind works for you. Well, the first thing you need to realize is that your subconscious mind is always working for you. It is active night and day. Your subconscious is the builder of your body. All you need to do is just keep your conscious mind busy with the expectations of the best. Just remark the healing presence in your subconscious and the following will flow through in your mind. In fact, your subconscious is actually the living intelligence and lifelong companion. It will exactly respond the way you want it to do by your own thoughts and beliefs. If you are struggling with your health, here we got this small but effective prayer for you. My head is relaxed, my whole body is being completely relaxed. The perfection of God is now being expressed through me. The idea of perfect health is now filling my subconscious mind. The image God has of me is a perfect image, and my subconscious mind recreates my body in perfect accordance with the perfect image held in the mind of God. This is all for this video. If you found this video to be useful, then please hit the like button and drop a comment in the comment section below. And subscribe to this channel if you want to be updated with similar kinds of videos.